What's going on, guys? It's your boy LaRoyce Hall here, checking in with another video. Hope you guys are doing well. Hope you guys are doing great. I'm taking my lunch break to make this video. The reason why is because today I want to go over the for the GoPro. So as you heard my story, if you didn't hear it already, Sunday I went jet skiing, got a lot of footage, and I dropped my GoPro 8 in the Austin Lake, so it is gone. But the next day, I couldn't help it. I went ahead and got the GoPro 9. But this time, just making sure my GoPro secure. Because I cannot afford to just throw away another $500 or so. So I was excited to get the GoPro 9. However, I realized that it's different batteries in it, so I had to get more batteries for the GoPro 9 and for the 8 that will work, and also the charger. Then one last thing with this deal here, the floaty. So clearly the 9 is a little bit bigger than the 8, so you have to get a whole new floaty. I just got this, and I should have had this on my GoPro when it fell, but none of this would never happen if I had it on there. But stubborn to me. All right, so today I'm gonna be doing a test. If you didn't know, if you get the GoPro 9, your GoPro 8 floaty will not work, and I'm gonna go ahead and try it here. See, look. Oh, if I'm putting it, yeah, I'm trying to put it in the right way, and it just doesn't go. I've been trying this for like 2 days straight, so it didn't go. So let me show you guys how to put it in the 9. So it's very simple. Just go ahead and put it in there like that. I'm doing this with one hand, so now it's nice and secured in there. I'm gonna do the floaty test. If you guys haven't seen the floaty test before, my video is gonna have it. And I'm making videos for people who have jet skis. Turn my camera on. I just got me a new SD card, 128 gigabyte. That's exactly what I lost in the lake. One thing I love is that you can see me in the front camera. This is so dope, bro. This is so dope. Excuse my mess. So about to go ahead and show you guys the float test. Check that out. I always love the cover because you can like get in there. It blocks out the sun and everything. So let's go fill up the tub. Here's the tub. Voila. Boom. So now we got the tub kind of filled up. Not going to fill it up too much because I'm not trying to have my water bill high. All right, you feel me? So gonna go ahead and do the test. Got the GoPro Hero 9 right here in the floaty. We know it floats, but I'm gonna just do this just because. So check it out. Drop it in there. Boom. Now if my GoPro drops, I am good to go. I could just pick it up on my jet ski and boom, there it is. All right. Oh man, got really nice and wet. All right, so now I'm going to try it out with my mount on there. So give me a second. Let's do that. So this here is one of my favorite mounts. This is the jaw. I don't know. They call it a gooseneck. It's one of my favorite mounts to put on my jet ski. So I just want to see if this will float along with the floater on there, or will it sink. So here's your true test. I'm going to fill up some more water in here. And let's see. All right, so water's a little bit deeper. I got the mount on there, so this is just in case this bad boy just happens to fly off my jet ski. I just want to make sure that I'm able to get it. So with that being said, look at that. Wow. So there's a lot of what are these? A lot of sticks, whatever you want to call them, that don't float. But the fact that this one will, this just makes it so much special. Big reason is you spend a lot of money on these, almost $500. You don't want to just have it thrown away like I did because I wasn't responsible enough to have my floaty on there. I'm also going to put fish wiring on there. I'm going to put a lot of things on here to make sure I don't lose this bad boy. But I'm super excited to know that this will float if it falls in the lake. But yeah, guys, make sure that like button, subscribe to my channel. I will be bringing you guys more content. I will be bringing you guys a variety of everything. But right now, it's jet ski time. So the next video I probably will have on here is Sunday, me getting on the jet ski. doing a few things like that. I also need to go over this bad boy if you don't have it already, why you should get it, why you shouldn't get it. Like I said, I probably went and got it if my GoPro 8 didn't fall in the lake, but hey, I also rap too, so y'all check out my other videos. But yeah, y'all have a great day. Check your boy out on Facebook at the official Leroy's Haul. See ya. Peace.